This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming support and making a quick backup of your current settings. Open Settings, go to Accessibility or the Dynamic Island section, and locate Size options. Once done, toggle into the Customization area and choose the smallest preset to test. Make sure to note the original value so you can revert if needed. This is the first actionable step. Change the preset, tap Apply, and observe how the island visually adapts on your home and lock screens. Once you've applied a base smaller size, you'll fine-tune scale and behavior. Use the scale sliders or enter exact numeric values in 1 to 5% increments to avoid abrupt jumps. Also adjust animation speed and transparency to prevent clipping. Make sure to test with incoming notifications, active calls, and media playback so you can see edge cases. If elements overlap, reduce size slightly and increase padding. Keep iterating until the island looks balanced across different app contexts. You're nearly done. Save the final profile and restart your device to ensure changes stick. After reboot, check every major interaction, notifications, widgets, and calls to confirm consistency. If something breaks or icons clip, restore your original settings and reapply smaller adjustments more gradually. This rollback prevents visual glitches. If problems persist across reboots, take screenshots, note your iOS build and model, and contact support or file a bug report. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.